Hey everyone, it's Mike here from Back in the Cards. I want to tell you about this rookie pack subscription box that I signed up for. It's from RC Explosion Box. You can Google them. They're made by Philmington. Their website is RC Explosion Box. And these are based on subscription. There is only a limited number of subscriptions. So check it out. If there's subscriptions open, I would recommend signing up. We're going to open this one and we're going to walk through it and see what's in it. I do have the pack lineup of what's in it. So we have 81 Flair, 91 Update, 91 Upper Deck, 2010 Topps Chrome or 2011 Topps Chrome, 2015 Bowman Draft, 2017 Topps Update, 2018 Topps Chrome, 2018 Topps Heritage High Number, 2018 Topps Series 2, 2018 Topps Update, 2019 Topps Heritage Minor League, 2019 Topps Update, and 2020 Series 1. And then I have a separate list of all the rookies in each pack. So we'll open it up and then we'll see what's in each pack. So here is the box. So right on top we have a 2018 Hobby Exclusive Series 1 trading cards, 4 cards. Let's see what we have here. Oof. Trey Mancini foil. That's really nice. These are all for Ron McMahon rookies. Brandon Woodruff. And a blue Victor Robles. These are really nice cards. And they are numbered. This is numbered out of 150. Very nice. Here's our first pack. So 4 pretty cool cards right off the bat. Now we're in a junk wax era here. This is Flair. Let's say what year, but as soon as you open up, we'll find that out. Look at this. This is like my childhood right here. Who wants a 20-year-old piece of gum? Maybe I'll give that away. These are 1981. So here we're looking for Harold Baines and Fernando Valenzuela. So Bobby Bonds, Del Thomas, Neil Allen, Larry Boa. There we go. Mike Tyson. That'd be a different Mike Tyson than maybe the one you're more familiar with. Fred Norman, Luis Gomez, Tim McCarver, John Candelaria. I remember when the Pirates wore those hats. Jerry Mumphrey, Dave Collins, Dave Havero, Dave Bergman, Steve Nocia, Bill Fahey. So no rookies in that one, but a couple cool cards. Larry Boa is a pretty cool card. All right. Next up, 1991 Upper Deck. So here we're looking for Michael Jordan, Chipper Jones, and Mike Mussina. Can you imagine if we pull a Jordan? That is the wrong Jordan. That is Ricky Jordan. So Ricky Jordan, Ellis Burks, Bob Tewksbury, Tony Pena, a Phillies logo refractor sticker, Bernie Williams, might be his rookie. I would chase Bernie Williams. That's a great card. Rick Aguilera was off the Mets at that point. Brett Saberhagen. Vince Coleman. Loved Vince Coleman. He was fast. Frank Thomas. Big Hurt. David West. Dennis Rasmussen. Steve Finley. J. Bell. Some more cool cards there. All right. Moving right along. Now we have some Topps Chrome 2010. So 2010 Topps Chrome, we're looking for Giancarlo Stanton, Steve Strasburg, Josh Donaldson, Carlos Santana, autos of those as well, and Jason Hayward. So there we go, right off the bat. Steven Strasburg, right? There you go, base card. Mike McCoy. There's a rookie cup. Kendrys Morales. All right, so we did get the Strasburg there. That's good. Now we have 2015 Bowman Draft. So we're looking for Walker Buehler, Austin Riley, what do we got here? There's a bunch of rookies here. I'm not going to read them all off. Benton Moss, Drew Finley, Kevin Kramer, Tyler J, Trey Supak, Courtney Hawkins, and Cole Stewart. Top 17 2017 update. So here we're looking for Cody Bellinger, Matt Chapman, Luke Voigt, Aaron Judge, Bregman, Moncada, Luis Castillo, Josh Hader. Let's see what we got here. Mike Dunn, AJ Ellis, Charlie Morton, Seth Smith, Robinson Cano, Marguerite Sierra, Danny DeScaldo, Alex Reyes, JT Riddle, and Kyle Higa-Soika. (2018) Topps Chrome. So now we're looking for Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Devers, Bueller. Ryan McMahon, Scribber. There's a Bellinger Future Stars. And Luis Servino. (2018) Topps Heritage High Number. So looking for base cards and variations of Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, and Meadows. Holland, Skaggs, Perez, Cartney. Got there Juan Soto. That's a good one. That's a good one. There we go. So we got a big hit there. Whoops. Got a big hit there. Now we got 2018 Series 2. So here we're looking for, again, Ohtani, short prints of Acuna, Torres, Kingery, Diamondbacks, Pirates, All Smiles Young Cubs checklist, Dodgers, Fernando Hernandez, Steve Strasburg, retro look, Kazmir, Gomez, Cahill, and Elksbury. And 2018 Update Series. So 2018 Update Series. We're looking at Acuna, Soto, Torres, again, Ohtani, Meadows. Let's see what we got. Escobar, Gomez, Adams, Bo Jackson. There's probably a good card. Stratton, Nelson Cruz, Scherzer. Minor League 2019. Wander Franco. We want Franco, Luis Robert, Jordan Alvarez, Joe Bart. Liberatore. Maybe I'll get an Iron Pig. Bobby Dalbec. Rough Riders. That's the Yankees minor league team. We got a 2019 Update Series here. Again, we need, looking for Vlad, we're looking for Hura, looking for Carter Kaboom, Austin Riley, Nick Ramirez, Cabrera, Gregory Soto, we got a green something coming, Kyle, Bird, Shelby Miller foil. Pete Alonso home run derby card. That's a nice card. Jonathan Shoup, Blanco, Josh Bell, Leon Gomez. All right, here we go. Last pack. Topps 2020 Series 1. Looking for Alvarez, Lux, Bichette, Aquino, Horner, and Luzardo. Anderson, Manny Machado, Matt Chapman, Juan Soto, Vargas, Astros card, Nationals card, Olson, Garrett Cole on the Yankees, Merrifield, and Sam Hillard. So not a lot of hits, but I like the variety, and I'm really happy with the Juan Soto card we got. That card's beautiful. So yeah, so check out RC Explosion Boxes. And if you're looking for something fun to try to pull some rookies every month, subscribe and you get it in the mail, and you could open it and comment below. Let me know what you think. Have a great day, everyone.